Hello, I'm back with doing some cooking. This is Rosina's Italian Kitchen, and today we're going to make clam chowder soup. The first thing I did so far is put the clam juice in my pot here. I did about 4 cups of clam juice, and I have to add the vegetables in there to cook, like the potatoes, the celery, and instead of using onions, I like to use leeks. So here, I'm going to move over here and put the vegetables in. They have to cook about 15 minutes until they're tender. Stock, I should say. And I put in the celery, and now this is the, instead of onions, I have the leeks in here. And we'll cover that and let them cook about 15 minutes until the vegetables are cooked. So we'll be right back once they cook. Now, and we have had the clam juice cooking with the vegetables, which were leeks and celery and potato. So what we're going to do now is add clams. I have lots of clams, and but before I do that, let me do the thickening part, which will be flour and some clam juice. You can use milk, water, anything you want, but I'm going to use flour with clam juice, and to thicken the soup so it's not brothy. Vegetables are cooked now, so they're tender enough, so we're going to add the clams to the clam juice mixture of celery, potato, and leeks. I'm adding the clams. I'm going to cook in here. I guess I should be using a rubber spatula and it wouldn't be noisy. We're now adding the flour mixture, which instead of using water, I used more clam juice. So I'm mixing it in to thicken the soup. And we'll keep stirring so it doesn't clump up. We're now adding the milk, which I like to use evaporated milk, and I'm using exactly 1 can of evaporated milk. And it calls for also white pepper, and I'm adding that. I'm just kind of throwing it in here. And we're going to just simmer it a little bit more, and then we've got our clam chowder.